Welcome to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings, where I am answering your questions about Etsy and print on demand every week. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a mom of two and a multi six-figure Etsy seller, and I somehow found myself in this world of print on demand and Etsy, and I love helping others start, grow, and scale their own Etsy print on demand shops. Now, in today's episode of Coffee and Cha-Chings, I will be answering one of the most common questions I get, especially in the comments, which is how do you price your print on demand products? And can you really even make a profit from those? And luckily for us, the answer is yes, absolutely, you can. But I'm going to show you how I price my products using Printify's pricing calculator. Printify is my go-to print partner for all things print on demand, and they have an incredible pricing calculator that helps me make sure I am actually making money when I sell my print on demand products. But before we head to that part of the process, the first thing we want to do when we are pricing our products is look at our competitors. So it's important for us to know what are other sellers selling these products at so we can make sure we are falling right in line with them. My rule of thumb is I never want to be the highest price, but I also don't want to be the lowest price. So I want to find a happy medium where I am hitting at least a 30% plus profit margin, ideally more. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, today we are going to work on pricing for the hardcover journal through Printify and District Photo. This is one of my very favorite products. And when it comes to researching what competitors are selling these for, it is important for us to know if they are running a sale, number one, and number two, making sure we're looking at similar products so that we're trying to find something that really matches what we're selling. So, for example, I don't want to look at a digital product. I want to look at a hardcover matte journal like they are selling on Printify. So we can see a few here, and you don't have to look for endless amounts of time. We just want to get a general sense. So we see here 27.79, 26.72, and again, these are all best-selling products. 21.59. So I'm seeing 21 and I'm seeing 27. That's kind of the range we're at right now. 25 kind of falls right in that range. 26 falls right in that range. So again, I'm going to just be looking at some of these that are making sales and figuring out kind of a happy medium for myself. So overall, it looks like we are really at a place of about $21, just over $21, all the way up to about $29. So I'm going to take that information and head over into Printify. Here in Printify, I am on the hardcover matte journal. And what I love about this is once we add our design and start heading into our product information, it is going to show us a pricing calculator. Okay, once we have added our design and we are on the product details page, there is a section on Printify to add your pricing information. And they have a really great calculator you can use that will automatically factor in Etsy fees and the product cost and the shipping, et cetera, et cetera. So we can select here profit calculator, and this is going to bring us to the profit calculator where it automatically has, what I love about this is it automatically brings in the price of the item and the shipping information. So down here, you can see production is $9.58 and the standard shipping is $5.99. Or if you'd like to offer free shipping, you can also check that. And let's say we want to start with a profit margin. Let's say we want to automatically make a 30% profit margin. It is going to show us what our retail price will be. But we know that people are selling these for a lot more. Again, between $21 to $29, $30. So let's say we want to be kind of in the middle and we decide we want to sell for $25.99. That is going to give us a 50% profit margin with a profit of $12.92 per sale, which for a hardcover journal, again, still kind of blows my mind. And that is why I absolutely love this product. But the Printify pricing calculator will allow you to try different things. If you want to try some different variations, you absolutely can. The other thing you want to make sure you're factoring in is if you're going to be running sales. So if you decide that you're going to run 15% sales or 20% sales in your shop, you will want to factor that in to your retail price so that after that sale, you are sitting at $25.99. So this Printify pricing calculator has been a huge help in making sure that not only am I pricing my products at the right place, but that I'm also factoring in Etsy fees, listing fees, the transaction fees, and everything else. So when I do make a sale, I feel secure in knowing that I am making a solid profit margin when that sale happens. And that is this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. Don't forget to post your questions below so I can answer them in an upcoming episode. Look forward to seeing you next time.